Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to make this Minnie Mouse Love onesie. This project was really easy and all I used were two different color vinyls. And so let's just jump right in. First, you want to create your design. And so I will click the upload button, upload image, browse. And then first I will click the Minnie Mouse head. And then I will choose the simple and then click continue. Then I will click the advanced options and then reduce the colors to about 2 colors. And that changed from the checkered to a solid gray. And so then I'll just click on that gray background to remove it and then click continue. And then you want to save as a cut image and then click save. Then you click on that image and click insert images. So I would just reduce the size of this image and just pull it over to the side. And then I want to upload my Minnie Mouse bow. So I'll click upload, upload image, browse, and then click the Minnie Mouse bow and click open. And both of these designs I did just get from searching Google. And so then again, I want to click advanced options, reduce the colors to 2, and then just click the background. Do not click the inside of your bow because you want that to be solid. If you click the inside of your bow, it will remove the inside color and all you will have is that black outline. And what you want is the entire bow. And so then click continue and then click save as a cut image and then click save. Click that image and click insert images. So I will make this smaller and then I will also change the color. I'll choose this goldish color because that's the color my vinyl will be. Okay, so then next what you want to do is type your letters. And I will just type the letters love or the word love. And I want to change that font to Arial Black. So I'll just type in Arial and then click black. That font is a little bit bolder and thicker, and that's why I like it. And so then I want to ungroup my letters, and then I will select my V and my E and bring them down underneath here. And then I can get rid of that O. And so I will select the Minnie Mouse head and the bow and reduce the size of it. And then drag it over here to our design. And then you can just make that Minnie Mouse as big or as small as you want it, and you can rotate it as well. So next I'm going to zoom in because there's one more step. And what I will do is to select the Minnie Mouse head and the bow, and then click duplicate. And really, all I really needed is just the bow, so I will get rid of that extra head. And what I want to do is select both of these, the head and the bow, and then click slice. And what that did was to slice out the background head. And so now I can just delete these pieces out and then drag this bow right up in there. Okay. And so next what you want to do is to select all of your black. So select your L, your Minnie Mouse head, the V and the E, and then click attach. And you do that so that it can cut just like you see it on the screen. So then you want to click make it. And you can see your design on the screen. And this is an HTV project, so you want to make sure you mirror your design. And then I click this one and you can see the bow. And I want to mirror that as well. And I want to pull the bow down some because I will be putting all of my HTV on one mat. So I need to bring my bow down underneath the 5 just to give it some space. So I'll click back on that and then pull it down underneath the 5-inch and then click continue. And now it's just looking for my Cricut machine. And my Cricut machine is set to iron on. So next I will just cut out my design and meet you all back here. Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to make a Minnie Mouse Love onesie, and this is the onesie that I will be using. It is a red 6-month onesie from Carter's, as you can see there. And for my letters, they will be black. And for the Minnie Mouse bow, it will be gold HTV. So what I want to do now is to cut out my HTV to the size of my letters. So I'll take my scissors. And then I like to use my ruler whenever I cut this out. So my overall design is about 5 inches wide and 5.3 inches in height. So for my black vinyl, I want to go 6 by 6 just to make sure I have enough vinyl. So I'll just make a slit there, and then I'll come down here and put my ruler on 6, and you probably can't see that because it's black on black, but that's about it. So I made my slits, and then I am going to just cut it out 6 by 6. And my cuts are never perfect, which is okay. And turn it around and cut this way. Okay, so this will be for my letters again. So I'll set this over to the side. And then for my gold bow for Minnie Mouse, that will be 3 by 3. So you can see the numbers on the ruler better here. So let me move this up some. So this is 3, and then I will turn it sideways, or I like to do it upside down. Okay, come over to 3. Okay, set that ruler to the side, and then just cut that out. And I'll set this over to the side. So again, this is for the bow, and these are for this is for my letters. So next I want to grab my Cricut mat, or this is actually a Paper Studio mat. And it does the job just the same. And you always want to place your vinyl or your HTV shiny side down. Okay. And then I'm going to place my glitter HTV down underneath the 7. And again, I'm doing this just so that I can cut it all out at one time and not have to, you know, make one cut and then cut again. So now what I'm going to do is to load this into my Cricut machine and cut. Okay, so our HTV has been cut, and I will just peel this off of the mat. Set my mat to the side, and then I will be using my X-Acto knife to weed out my design. So now I have both pieces weeded out, and I just want to cut off some of this extra carrier sheet down here. Set that to the side. And this is going to look amazing. So the next thing that I want to do is to preheat my onesie for about a few seconds. So I'll do that. Okay, so next I will take my design, lay it down where I think it's appropriate. I think I like that, and so now I will press, and my heat press is set for 315 degrees for 30 seconds. My letters look like they were trying to come up a little bit, but what I'll do is I will, once I put my bow on, I'm going to use my Teflon sheet to make sure that I'm protecting my design. So let's put the bow on. That's about right. Then I will grab my Teflon sheet, put it down, and then I will press for another 30 seconds. Then I will remove my Teflon sheet and then remove the carrier sheet for the glitter vinyl. And I think that looks really good. And you may notice that the shirt has turned darker, and that's just where the heat has been. But once it dries up, the overall color of the onesie will be the same color. But yeah, this is the finished design. I think that looks really good. So please do not forget to like this video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have any questions about this design, please leave a comment down below. Hi guys, this is just a quick look back at the onesie. As you can see, that color, you know, it was darker up in here when I had that heat press, and I just wanted to come back and show you all that that color does go away. I'm not exactly sure why it does that, but again, the color is starting to come back into the shirt and it's evening out. So again, thanks for watching.